William? Where is my expensive night cream? What is this?
This is a very big golf shirt. And some golf clubs.
Wow. Are you a golf player now, Dad? He doesn't play golf. William, this is not our suitcase.
But it is a black hardshell bag. Just like ours.
Did you check the name tag? At the airport?
No. I just grabbed it. It looked the same.
This is a disaster. My clothes, my makeup, everything is gone. Look at the bright side. Free golf clubs.
I am so sorry. I brought the wrong bag home.
Who is the owner, Daddy?
I don't know, Rose. But we need to fix this right now.
You were walking like a zombie last night. You didn't even open your eyes!
I was so tired. But don't worry.
We can call the airline. Okay, give me the baggage receipt. The small sticker.
The receipt, let me check my pockets. Oh no. It is not in my pants. It is not in my bag.
William! We cannot find our bag without that barcode!
Mom, look at Dr. Purr. He is playing with a sticker.
Yes. That is it. Give it to me, kitty.
Thank goodness. Read the number on it.
The number is PA778899. I will contact them now.
Hurry up. We don't have all day.
Okay, the phone is on speaker. Let's listen.
Welcome to Pacific Airlines. Press 1 for reservations.
Not one. We don't want to buy tickets.
Press 2 for flight status. Press 3 for baggage claims.
Pressing 3. Come on. Pick up the phone.
William, be patient. They will put you on hold.
Oh no. The hold music is starting.
Please wait. All our agents are busy right now.
This music is so loud and terrible.
Just hold the phone. Don't hang up.
I am not hanging up. My clothes are in that bag.
I like it. It makes me want to dance.
Hello, this is baggage service. How can I help you?
Yes! Hello! Finally!
Sir, can I have your flight number and the baggage claim number?
Yes. My flight was PA 405. The claim number is 778899.
Can you describe your missing luggage?
Tell him about the ribbon and the sticker! That is important!
It is a 28-inch black hardshell suitcase. Oh, right. It has a red ribbon on the top handle.
Okay, a black hardshell suitcase.
And there is with the dinosaur sticker on the side.
Tell him what is inside the bag!
There are my wife's cosmetics and my shirts.
I see. And you currently have another passenger's bag, correct?
Yes. I accidentally took the wrong one.
Can we get our bag back today?
Please say yes. We need our things.
Spoiler alert. The answer is going to be no.
Good news, sir. The other passenger reported the mistake too.
That is great. Where is our bag?
It is safe at the airport, but we have many delayed bags today.
So, when can you deliver it to my house?
Ask him if they can send a courier the swap afternoon.
Can you send a courier to swap the bags today?
I am sorry, sir. Delivery usually takes 24 to 48 hours.
48 hours? But I have no clean underwear!
And I have no night cream. This is a disaster.
Okay, do you have a reference number for me?
Write it down, human. You will need it.
Yes. Your file reference number is LAX 12345.
Got it. L1245. Thank you.
Well, we have to wait 2 days for our bags. Look at the fridge. We have no milk, no eggs, no bread.
Mom, I am very hungry.
What are we gonna do?
I know, honey. We just came back from vacation.
Also, we have no toothbrushes. They are all in the suitcase.
Does that mean I don't have to brush my teeth?
Nice try, Henry. But no, we are going to the supermarket.
We need to buy some essentials for the next 2 days.
Buy tuna! Tuna is an essential.
I need to make a shopping list right now.
I need to buy a cheap, clean t-shirt.
And I want a new toy!
Let's go! Everyone get in the car. William, hurry up. We need to go to the supermarket now.
I am coming. I found some clothes in the closet.
Daddy, you look very funny! Why are you wearing winter boots with summer shorts?
My jeans and sneakers are in the missing suitcase, Henry.
And that sweater is way too tight. It is from 10 years ago.
It was the only clean shirt I could find. Do I look okay? You look like a walking traffic accident.
You look ridiculous, William, but we have no choice.
I hope nobody at the supermarket knows me.
Can I take a picture of that?
Absolutely not. Let's just go buy our toothbrushes.
Let's go shopping!
Remember, walk fast and don't make eye contact with anyone.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go.
Dad, please. I really want this big water gun.
No, Henry. Today we are only buying things we need.
But I need this water gun to play in the yard.
Henry, listen to me. A toothbrush is a need. A toy is a want.
Your father is right. We are only buying essentials today.
Mommy, is milk a need or a want?
Milk is a need because we must drink it for breakfast.
I found the travel-sized toothpaste and shampoo.
Okay, I understand. No toys today.
Good boy. Now let's find some cheap clothes.
Don't forget to get clean underwear for everyone.
Can I get a chocolate bar? Is it a need? Nice try. Chocolate is definitely a want.
Hello! Did you find everything you need today?
Yes, thank you. We found all the essentials.
That is a lot of toothbrushes and plain white t-shirts.
Yes, we lost our luggage at the airport.
Actually, he took the wrong luggage from the carousel.
Oh, rough morning, huh? I like your paint shirt, by the way.
You have no idea. I have to wear this all day.
How much is the total?
Your total is $45.20. Here is my credit card.
Hurry up. I want to go home and sleep.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, let's check the website. I have the reference number.
Daddy, is our suitcase coming home today?
I hope so, Rose. Let me type LAX-12345.
What does the screen say? Any updates?
The status says tracing. They are still looking for it.
What does tracing mean?
It means the airline is trying to find where it is.
But the agent said the other passenger was returning it yesterday.
Maybe the other passenger took it to the moon.
Very funny, Henry. Let's just wait. Patience is a virtue that humans do not have.
Yes! Look at this, everyone! Look at the screen!
The status is updated. It says, item located.
What happened, Dad?
That is wonderful news! Where is it?
It says the bag is now at the airport baggage office.
Are they gonna bring it to our house now?
Not right now. They have to assign it to a delivery truck.
Exactly. But at least we know it is safe.
Yay! My toys are safe!
Who cares about shirts?
I want the empty box.
Now we just have to wait for the courier to call us.
I will keep my phone loud and close to me. Honey, the website says, out for delivery.
Finally, it is on the truck.
We need to get this wrong suitcase ready for the swap.
Goodbye, Bob's suitcase. Have a good trip.
The courier will probably be here in a few hours.
Make sure you have your photo ID ready. They will check it.
Why do they need your ID, Dad?
To prove that I am the real owner of the suitcase.
Yes, they don't want to give it to the wrong person again.
My ID is in my wallet. I am ready.
Listen, I think someone is calling your phone.
Hello, this is the airline courier. I am looking for your house.
Hi. Yes, I am waiting for you.
I am on Maple Street, but I cannot find number 402.
You are on the right street. Do you see a stop sign?
Tell him to drive past the park.
Yes. Drive past the stop sign and the small park.
Okay, I see the park. Should I turn left or right?
Do not turn. Go straight. It is the house with the white
And tell him we have a red door.
Yes, our house has a red door and a very handsome cat in the window.
Ah, I see it now. The red door I am parking. Please bring the wrong bag and your ID.
Great. I am coming to the door right now.
Hello, sir. May I see your photo ID, please? Here is my driver's license. Thank you. Please sign here on the screen. Done. Here is the wrong suitcase.
Thank you so much for bringing our bag.
Look, the red ribbon. It is ours.
Yay! Daddy's ugly shirts are back. Let's open it. Oh, thank goodness. My night cream is safe.
And I can finally change out of this terrible t-shirt.
This was a crazy 3 days. We learned a big lesson.
What is the lesson, Mom? Never buy a black suitcase?
No, Rose. The lesson is always check the name tag.
Exactly. Don't just look at the color.
Finally, the humans learned something useful today.
Good night, everyone. This box is mine now.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time.